Yeah, hi everyone. So today's topic is how to add additional columns in the Azure Data Factory pipelines. So to explain this one, I have taken one scenario like how to maintain the pipeline logs. So with this scenario, I will explain about this topic. So for this scenario, we have requirements like we will contain one empty CSV file which contains at least one column with any value. So I will show you the structure of the CSV file format in the video. Next one, by using this additional column option in the area of copy activity, we are adding the additional columns to an existing file. So I will show you the practical demo in the Azure Data Factory. Before going to the Data Factory, I will show you the how the CSV file will be looks like. So this is the my ADLS container inside the temp folder. So inside the temp folder, I have created one CSV file. So which contains ID as a column and as its value. So this is the temporary CSV file. For this temporary CSV file, I will add additional columns by using the Azure Data Factory. So I am going to Azure Data Factory. So this is the pipeline where it will copy the data from Dynamics 365 to ADLS. So I am debugging this pipeline now. So the pipeline got success. When I'm opening this output of the pipeline, it is showing some metrics like number of rows read, number of rows copied. So I want to append these metrics to that empty CSV file. So what I will do is I will take one more copy activity. So this is the copy activity. For this copy activity, the source data set is data lake. File format is CSV. So here I am reading the temporary log file which is present in the temporary folder. So inside this temp folder, I have created one temporary CSV file. So which will contain only ideas for column. So I have taken this one. So when you preview the data, it will show only one column. So for these columns, I need to add additional columns like number of rows read, number of rows written. So how we will add means come down. We have the option called add additional columns. So what I will do is rows read. Next one is the rows written. So for this parameters, we need to pass the value. So how you need to pass the value means you have to pass the previous activity output. Copy activity output dot rows read. Next one rows written. Copy activity output dot rows copied. So where this expression is came means, so once open the previous activity output here, so we will get this. So just copy and paste there. Next coming to the sync. So I need to store this as a log file. Then I'm storing in data lab gen 2. So this is the DLS container. So inside the pipeline log, I will save this as the temp. Now click on debug. So the pipeline got success. Now I'm going to my DLS container. Inside the DLS container. So this is the pipeline log. So I'm opening this one. Now we'll see. See, rows read 5, rows written 5. So this is how we will add additional columns to an existing file. So this activity is used for maintaining the logging, like pipeline logging. So this is about our topic today. Yeah, thank you everyone.